I am sick right now, but I'm gonna be doing this paragraph. Hello, I'm Haruki. You could call me Reflecting, or any other names, just not dead names, like Nudie or any other. But I don't mind if you do. I do videos like voice acting, edits, rants, and more. I am a young artist and a young creator who's also a small ranter. You can call me by my name, Reflecting, as I said. I don't mind if you don't. I am sick right now, and yeah, the rest are in the bio. I like Danny's World, I support my friends, and I love real artists who do the best instead of AI artists. I don't really think they are an artist at this point. Anyways, continuing on. I support you if you're not gonna talk to me as a dark shipper. I do not support dark shippers. I just love if you do not talk to me, if you are one. And now, I would like some boundaries not getting crossed. My boundaries are... Is that the one, especially don't cross the line when you talk to me, when I say don't talk to me. I will eventually talk to you when I feel like it. Second, I would like if you would stay away from me if I tell you to, because please do not destroy my personal space. Third, please leave me alone when I tell you to, because you might seem annoying if you don't. Anyways, that's all for my paragraph. I can't really say more. More are in the description. Bye!